All right, so this is the carbon glass towel. And we chose this material very specifically because at DriveLab, our goal is always to make your job easier. And we have to think about what do most people, consumers, run into when cleaning or detailing, and what's going to make their life easier, which really means how is a tool or a product going to be the best tool in the majority of cases. And that in itself is kind of the problem with glass and a lot of things in detailing, because every problem has a lot of different variables and you end up not having a perfect solution for every single one of them. You just have to go for either multiple tools or have something that works the majority of the time. So when it comes to glass, you might use microfiber or waffle weave or sometimes even a suede material to clean the glass, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't so well. And there's reasons for that we'll go into towards the end, but we found this material works the best in the majority of cases that we use it in, and therefore we're really excited to show this to you because it's going to be the perfect addition to our wash kit, our wash flow, and how we detail cars. So essentially, this is not a cleaning towel, it is a clearing and polishing towel. So you're going to clean the glass as you clean it, and I'll describe that in a second. Then you're gonna come in with this and make sure that glass is clear, because even if you use a really good glass cleaner, whatever you had been cleaning on that glass can now be smeared around. And while you wouldn't see that on paint, you do see that in glass because you're seeing through the glass. So any oil, smudge, smear is going to change the light passing through. So you really have to get glass so perfectly clear in order to not see anything on it, right? So in some cases, you might use this, fold it up, and just clearing the glass after you've cleaned it. So you could take a microfiber, spray a glass cleaner, or a 30-to-1 of hot lap, clean the glass really thoroughly, and then go in with this and just do overlapping passes, square off the corners, and make the glass clear. Great. Sometimes this gets a little bit grabby, so I like to use a full hand, palm, spread fingers, and leverage a lot of surface area to get a perfect, clear, clean pass. And then there's the case that's special or unique to our wash flow. So when I'm washing a car outside, I like to use my step 2 rag. So once it's wet and soaked with step 2, the rinseless spray, it's really good at cleaning off hard water stains before they set. So I actually do a pass over the glass with that rag as I go, so then I don't have to worry about water spots at the end, which this is actually quite good at polishing off. That's one of the reasons why we chose this material, but it's still gonna require more work. So I do that, and then because there are ceramic wax resins, multiple resins in that formula, you're gonna get a little bit of that residue and streak on the glass, which also adds hydrophobics, but you don't wanna see that. So that's where this comes in. You spritz a little bit of hot lap onto your towel, open palm. That'll loosen up the resins in case they were drying. And you're just gonna do those overlapping passes, square off in the corners, and really thoroughly up and down, back and forth, level and remove any resin. And then you have really smooth, extra smooth, clear glass. And this is my favorite way to use it. And then here's another example of that actually with the rinseless rag, and you can see where the resins were very thick, where we left on the glass, and then I polished it off with the glass towel, and you can actually see there's some smudges on the interior that I haven't gotten yet. But what's funny is the camera stopped being able to focus on the glass once that smudge was gone, so I couldn't get it to show the glass without my hand there. Camera can't focus on the glass because it's perfectly clear. I will say that over time, whether you're using it with that step 2 residue or anything else, glass towels can get gunked up. So you want to decontaminate them, you want to wash them often. And if they are getting streakier over time, you're gonna do a soak in a bucket with hot lap, just like we recommend with our microfibers, and then wash cycle so that you can remove any gunk that's getting trapped in the fabric over time, and it'll keep doing the work for you.